boundaries.
Oh, here he goes. Shahid Afridi has announced himself with a
It was
big...
perfect for this one.
Yeah, on the roof. And we'll have another ball change, making room and hitting.
It's very good memories at this venue.
Goes big, it's a flick. Even a miss hit from Afridi is good enough. It's a 6. It's a 6. Afridi, 2 out of 2.
Hurry, he gets under this one. Have a look at this. Hits it from under, upwards, and over the boundary rope.
Goes again, full toss. 3 out of 3 for Afridi.
These are the 3 sixes from Shahid Afridi. No batsman has hit 4 sixes from 4 balls in PSL history.
Hey, here it is, and a record. First man to hit 4 sixes of 4 balls, Shahid Afridi, is running in red-hot 6 form.
Who else? Oh, Boom Boom! Had to be. Wearing red and blue now, the Kings. Disappeared. Dawson. 4 sixes and 4 balls, and it had to be.
It's a big one. Whoa. It made a cracking sound.
Well, that is his 38th 6. Now that was a 120-yarder, I suspect. That would have been 6 on any ground on earth. What a sound it made. It just kept.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।